I am Maria Moss. I mix pop with Latin and Spanish influences. I sing in English and Spanish. With my songs, I want to give a message of empowerment, strength, and positive energy. I am from Tarragona, but I have lived in London for a few years. Yes, I know that I am very likely to work with Cher, Mark Taylor, Jamie Sellers, Pete Maker, and other artists. And the truth is that I've had a great time. How? Working very hard, always looking for opportunities, fighting. You won't get anywhere if you don't make an effort, but it's very important to enjoy the journey and your people. What do I like? Look, I get very happy when I get messages about how my songs have helped people. I love hacks. I love Burgundy, the beach, traveling, hanging out with my family and friends, the animals, having honest conversations.